Two powerful things to always remember coming right up. Number one, it's okay if the only thing you did today was to breathe. So we take breathing for granted. We do it unconsciously, automatically, by default, and so we tend to forget that the very fact we are breathing in and out, every single moment of every single day is the reason we are alive today. Some of us know that there are some special ways to breathe in and out, and that it can work wonders for our health. Yet, many of us are not aware of this. Sometimes the only way to clear your head, to regain your focus, and to maintain your balance is to just deliberately and consciously breathe in and out. Do it with me. In and out. Do it 4 or 5 times and watch yourself get calm. In and out. Those who meditate know this. Breathing is a big deal because it results in big changes. Better well-being, centeredness, better focus, mindfulness, peace, calm, and all that good stuff. So I will make a video soon on breathing in better details later. Yet today, do not let life overwhelm you in any way. Okay? If you're not able to do all you plan to do, no worries. It's okay if the only thing you did today was to just breathe in and out. Let's try it again. In and out. Very good. Number 2, every day can be enjoyed, not just the weekends. So I talk about 2 great ways to overcome dreading to do things in this video, and you can check it out later in the description. I know that it happens to the best of us. We breeze past the weekdays and all the mundane routine of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and come Friday, we're ecstatic. Okay, only for the weekend. Thank God it's Friday, and fun day, Saturday, Sunday, fun day. Yeah, I'm learning to see even Monday and every other day as a day to be enjoyed. I have successfully been able to lose the Monday dread from my life. And you can join me too. It took me a while though. Of course, it's important to have focus and not get distracted from our life's work on the weekdays, yet we can learn to find a way to enjoy work on those formal, weekdays. Every day may not be a holiday, yet every day can be an enjoyable day. Enjoyable meaning it may not be a great day, but I'll still embrace it, okay? I am blessed to be able to see today and to have the grace to look forward to tomorrow. So keep your head up, stay on top of things, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching. I love you.